In this video, I'm going to review thrivethemes WordPress plugins in every single aspect. Let's get into it right now. Hey, what's up video guys, this is Irfan here and welcome to another video. It's been a long time, I know that. In this video I decided to give you a full review of thrivethemes plugin. This is something that I've been using for over 2 years, and I created every single landing page that I have on my different websites using thrivethemes, and I decided to share with you. I just wanted to kind of share my thoughts to show you what it does and how we can benefit from this WordPress plugin. And by the way, I have a full playlist. I reviewed thrivethemes last year, I believe. You can find the playlist exactly above this video. I'm going to leave a link. I'm going to leave a card, sorry, and then you can check them out. All of the plugins are covered there. So this video is going to be in depth, plus some cool bonuses that I've never revealed before, and it's going to be only for you. So without any further ado, let's get into it right now. I'm not going to take like super long. This is going to be a short video, and then after that you will understand how it works and how you can benefit from this beautiful plugin in your business. So first of all, before I dive into the review, I would like to show you my bonus page that I created specifically for you. By the way, you can find the link below this video, and it's going to be the first link in the description, and it's going to take you to this page that gives you all of the bonuses. So the first bonus that I have for you is called 4-figure affiliate promotion hacks. So by the way, you can secure all these bonuses after your purchase by clicking on any of these red buttons right here. Plus I want to give you a one-on-one mentorship on how to do launch jacking on YouTube in the most profitable way, so you can make a really good money out of it for free without spending a dime on ads. It's going to be 100% free of charge, and it's going to be included with these bonuses that I'm giving you right now. So the first one is 4-figure affiliate promotion hacks. It's going to give you all the tips and tricks in affiliate marketing. And number 2, ClickBank marketing secrets. So if you're a marketer, you definitely know what ClickBank is. So this is something that all of us started with, and I'm going to share some tips and tricks on ClickBank so you can be more profitable promoting any product there. So, and you just need to click on any of these red buttons here, and then it's going to take you to the main page. So step-by-step email marketing experts. It's super important. If you're not utilizing the power of email marketing, you're missing out in this game, because you're leaving a lot of money on the table by not just following up with your leads, and you're just leaving the money on the table. I have nothing to say. So step-by-step email marketing, super important. Site speed secrets is going to show you how to increase your website speed. It's going to speed it up super fast by just using this plugin, I believe, plus some tutorials that shows you how to do that. Number 5, if I'm not wrong, it's going to be the 5th bonus, ultimate lead generation in different social media platforms that I've covered here. Feel free to check it out. Traffic autobahn secret. It's all about quality traffic to your offers. No matter what your offer is, it's going to show you how to drive quality traffic, not just garbage traffic, to your offer, and save a ton of money on CPL, which is cost per lead. And also this one is going to be about YouTube authority, which is going to be super correlated with launch jacking method that I'm going to show you. I also have a video for that. But if you want me to show you exactly how to do it profitably, you can secure these bonuses, and after that we can work for with each other for one session, and then I'll reveal all my secrets with you. So YouTube authority is the next one that shows you how to get your first 1,000 subscribers in the next 30 days. Web traffic master, exclusive tips you need to know in order to generate traffic. It's pretty much the same as traffic autobahn, plus some more tips and tricks. And find your niche, very important. I should have put this bonus in the first bonus, because if you don't have a profitable niche, then it's not really effective for you to put in a lot of time and effort in creating something and promoting it, because your niche is not profitable. So what's the point of spending a lot of money and a lot of time on something which is not working? So this is really important, finding your niche. And that's pretty much it for these bonuses. I have way more bonuses. I simply didn't find enough space to fit everything on this page, but my one-on-one session for launch jacking is going to be super effective for you. So this is the bonus page. As I said, you can click on the link below in the description that takes you to this page. The next thing I want to show you is thrivethemes plugins. I want to show you how many plugins they have and how you can use each one of them for different purposes. So this is their page. Obviously, you can get into this page by clicking on any of these red buttons here in my on my bonus page. It's going to take you to this page. As you can see, it's obviously a sales page that shows you how it can benefit you, what it is, and how many people are using, and this kind of stuff. So I'm not going to go through every single detail on this page because you can definitely do that yourself, but I just want to show you how many plugins they have. So if you click on start now, it's going to show you their plugins. I have it on my websites. I have 4 websites. I use thrivethemes for all of them. So this is just one of the examples, levelupagents.co. This is one of my websites. I have thrivethemes, as you can see, product manager and Thrive dashboard. They are both right here. And I'm going to walk you through every single plugin and show you what they do. So if you scroll down, you see that they have Thrive Theme Builder. So this is a website builder. So it builds your website from scratch. You don't have to do any programming or coding. You don't have to install any themes to see what works, what doesn't work, what is decreasing the website speed, what's increasing the website speed. Everything is built in, and you can build your website from scratch. So I'm going to show you an example for this website that I have. So this is my agency's website for real estate agents, and as you can see, I created this website using Thrive Theme Builder. Super easy. It was literally a drag and drop process. I just fill it out. I just fill out all the information they needed, and then I tweaked it a little bit. I added my logo, I added the background video, and also I created my own course using Thrive Apprentice that I'm going to show you in the next few minutes. So Thrive Architect. So this is a landing page builder. There are so many cool templates. I'm not going to spend too much time on every single plugin. I have a separate video for each one of them. Please feel free to check them out. As I said, I'm going to put a card above this video that's going to take you to the playlist for Thrive themes so you can check them out individually. This video is just a brief overview of every plugin. So Thrive Leads is just for collecting leads on your website. So for example, you can create a pop-up, you can create pop-ups in the corner, you can give something as a freebie and then collect your email address and phone number. As you can see, there's a little example here. You know what it is. It's just a pop-up creator. A Thrive quiz builder, super profitable. If you're trying to promote an affiliate product, quiz builder can help you a lot. I have a full tutorial for that as well, which you can find, you know where it is, in my playlist that shows you how to build a quiz page and promote it for your affiliate products. It's super cool, and you can run ads for it. You can drive traffic to this quiz builder, and then you can take them to your sales page. Thrive Apprentice, my favorite one. It's a course creator. I mean, it's not a course creator. You can host your courses on this plugin, and it's going to save everything for you. So let me show you an example right here. If you go to this page and then I click on Thrive dashboard, you can see that I have pretty much all of the plugins. So every one of them is right here. So if I click on Thrive Apprentice, it's going to take me to Thrive Apprentice dashboard that looks like this. So I have 2 courses. This one is empty, it's not published yet. Facebook Mastery, a Facebook Training Mastery for real estate agents, as I said. And if I click on it, you see that everything in full details is right here. You can have your offer setting. You can put on your logo here. You can have a description, and everyone who's checking out your website, they can actually see everything here, and the contents are here. So I have 7 chapters, and every chapter has different modules or lessons, I would say. Sorry, every chapter has its own lessons. So for example, chapter 1 has 12 lessons, different context for real estate agents. Chapter 2, same thing, 12 lessons. this one, 3 lessons, 1 lesson, 5 lessons, 17 lessons, which is the resources, and you can easily drag and drop everything. You can sort them out the way you want. And for access restriction, this is a very cool part that I really liked, is that if you don't want everyone to get access to your course, you can simply change a setting in this section. You can actually turn it on. You can turn on restrict access. If you turn it on, only customers can get access to your course and not subscribers. So you can actually define that right here. So for products, as you can see, WordPress role, give access if user has any of the following WordPress user roles, which is customer. You need to change it on your website so that only customers who paid you are able to get access to the course materials. So ThriveCart product, this is an integration that you can use. WooCommerce product, so if you want to not use Shopify, you can use thrivethemes WordPress plugin with WooCommerce product. So you can just upload your products there. You can create a landing page. You can create you can build a website from scratch using these 2 plugins, and you can save $25 a month on Shopify if you want. But if you want to do something else, you can do it using thrivethemes with their plugins. So this is pretty much it. That's pretty much it for this one. As I said, I have a full video for every single plugin. Feel free to check them out if you want to get to know this plugin in details. And this is pretty much it for this one. So let's go for the next one, which is Thrive Comments. It's super cool. It's a dynamic comments. So what it means is that, for example, if you write a blog post and then someone leaves a comment for you, their full information will automatically get captured, and you can market them. If you have a product you're promoting, Thrive Comments can get their information, and then it integrates your ThriveThemes plugin with your autoresponder, and then it gets it. It actually takes it, and then using the integration, it goes to your autoresponder, and then you can send emails to your subscriber. So Thrive Ultimatum is a countdown timer, different countdown timers. It's kind of like a pop-up that pops up on the screen. You can change the setting. I have it here, but as I said, I don't want to spend too much time on this one, so I have a video for them. Thrive Ovation is actually something that I haven't used for super long, because this is something that I don't really need. It's kind of for testimonials, I would say. So Thrive Optimize is a landing page A/B tester, and then it can optimize your headlines. It can, for example, it can create a campaign for you of different landing pages, different headlines, different images to see what works better if you're running ads. But to be honest with you, if you really want to get super professional and effective, you only need Thrive Theme Builder, Thrive Architect, Thrive Leads, and Thrive Apprentice, also Quiz Builder. If you really want to get into marketing in depth and you want to promote your product as effective as possible, I highly recommend, because I want to get into the pricing to show you how much it is. It's definitely more affordable than the other landing page builders that you're seeing every day on the internet. So you are seeing them every single day on YouTube ads, Google ads, Facebook ads, but they're super expensive. And if you're a beginner, I don't recommend that, because you're just wasting a lot of money. So that's pretty much it for this section. As I said, they just show you different integrations. I use MailerLite. I have a video for MailerLite as well. If you are looking for a free autoresponder, I'm gonna leave a link. I'm gonna put a card above this video. It's just my review about MailerLite. It's 100% free of charge for the first 1,000 subscribers if you wanna start for free. And yep, that's pretty much it. So, and also, as I said, this is what Thrive Themes is. I have my website. This is a proof that I have my website built on Thrive Theme Builder, and this is Thrive Apprentice. They have different products, as I said. You just saw them, but I'm not using every single one of them every day. I'm just using these 5 plugins right here. So now let's talk pricing, that how much it costs. So if you go and click on Get Thrive Suite, you can see that these are two prices. So $90, which is billed every 3 months, so quarterly, or $228 yearly. Just think about it for a second, that $90 every 3 months. And if you do it properly, if you create a landing page properly, which I have a separate video for that, which you can find a card above this video, you can definitely make this money back by promoting 1 to 2 products. So $90 for 3 months, in my opinion, if you do it properly, as I said, if you do affiliate marketing or the other businesses properly on this one, you can definitely make it back. So this is the only 2 options they have for pricing in my I believe $90 quarterly or $228 yearly. But however, if you use my bonus page that I'm going to leave a link below this video, you're going to get all these bonuses that I showed you right now, plus my one-on-one mentorship for 1 session. I show you exactly how to do launch jacking in the most profitable way without spending a dime on advertisement. So you don't have to spend a dime on advertisement, and all of the platforms are super cheap. And also, MailerLite is free too. So you have your email marketing autoresponder free. You got this one for $90 for 3 months, and that's it. You're ready to make money using affiliate marketing and using a free way. Everybody's using it, so you can do that too. So that's pretty much it. I hope that you like this video, guys. I try to cover as much information as possible. I have a full subscription right here. If you want to read them, feel free to do that. Take your time, watch my other videos, and if you have any question, guys, please feel free to ask your questions by dropping your comment below this video. And by the way, if you secured your bonuses, if you purchased Thrive Themes through my link and you're ready for one-on-one session, or you're ready to grab all the bonuses that I'm about to give you, send me an email to irfan@goldenreviews.co. I'm gonna put it right here. Send an email to this address with the receipt, and then I give you all the bonuses plus my one-on-one session for launch jacking. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a comment below this video, and also like this video, because YouTube is gonna boost my video in front of more people. So thank you so much, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. See you on the other side.